Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be showing you when I gave my mom a mini hair makeover. And for over 20 years she's had permed hair, and then she went natural just in recent years, so she's mostly been wearing her hair curly, but we just wanted to change it up, and she also needed a trim as well, and it would just be nice to see how her hair looks with its full length. So if you want to see how her hair came out, then just keep on watching. To start off, my mom has freshly washed hair and I'm going to do the lock method. So first I'm spraying some leave-in conditioner, and this is by Carol's Daughter, and this smells amazing. And then I'm going to put in a small amount of oil, and this one is super lightweight and it's hydrating. And then next I'm using my favorite leave-in conditioner by Maui Moisture, and this leaves hair feeling soft and nourished, and using a little bit of this goes a long way. And then lastly, for heat protectant, I'm using the 44 Iron Guard by Chi, and this one works wonderfully and I love the scent. Next, I'm separating my mom's hair into smaller sections so that it's easier to work with, and I'm going to be blow drying it with the comb attachment, and I'm using it on a warm setting. After blow drying her hair, I used the T3 edge to smooth and stretch it out further, and I finished up by straightening her hair on a low heat setting. And then lastly, I'm going to give her a trim, and I took off about an inch. These products worked great in her hair and left it feeling soft, lightweight, and healthy, and she was happy with the results, and overall it was a nice change. And I also wanted to treat my mom to some jewelry from Ana Luisa, and she was happy to get to pick out some new pieces. And what I love is that they have such a wide range to choose from, whether you're picking something out for a loved one or if you want to treat yourself and add to your collection. They have lots of beautiful options to choose from, and their pieces are great quality, they're affordable, and they're a sustainable brand, which is amazing. So the first item that she picked out is the Ash Double Silver, and these double hoop earrings are rhodium on brass, and they have a high polish finish. And I also love the versatility of them because you can wear them two ways, which is with or without the textured hoop. And if you prefer gold, these two options are similar in style. First is the Rox Small, and these hoop earrings are great for everyday wear and they're very lightweight. And then next is the Rox Small Twist, and I love the design. These earrings are also 14K gold on brass, and they have a very shiny finish. So lastly, my mom picked out some necklaces, and this is the Pebble Mini Silver. The chain is dainty and the pendant has a nice shape. And there's also a bigger version, which is the Pebble Silver, and both styles of these necklaces are in a rhodium brass, and they also have a brilliant shine. Overall, my mom enjoyed changing up her hair and picking new pieces to add to her collection, and I definitely recommend checking out Ana Luisa whether you're looking for a gift or for something for yourself. And you can also save up to 30% off using my link, and it will be in the info box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you want any more information, then just check the description box below, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!